Riley Comer. I'm a business consultant. I specialize in business development through relationships. And a key way to build some great business relationships is by being a part of a business networking group. And there's a lot of different types of business networking groups. And one of the things I do is I help my clients find the right groups for them that are going to have the type of people that can make the right connections for them, can introduce them to their ideal clients, are within their industry and understand what they do so they can make great referrals and partner up and build business together. So one of the things I've been working on is one of the groups that I belong to is BNI, Business Network International, is the world's largest business referral organization, and has done so many great things for me personally. It is my #1 business network that I belong to. And when something gives so much to me, of course, I live by the philosophy of giver's gain and the law of reciprocity and want to give back. So one of the things I've been doing this year is helping a couple of groups get started with BNI. So some groups of entrepreneurs, business owners, business professionals here in the local area have been starting up a new chapters of BNI. And I'm so excited because we are getting them off and running, off the ground and in action. It takes some time to build the network because we have to have so many people in the group to make it a viable group. And when we're growing our business, it's great to have the opportunity to build those great relationships. So having your own business network that is your key place where you build business relationships is vitally important if you want to grow your business through relationships and referrals. We have to have those relationships and build them and have the opportunity to get face-to-face with people, to build the relationship, to earn that trust, and then earn the referral. And the best way to do that is to be in a group that you participate with in full out, right? Participate full out, be a part of the group, and attend on a regular basis. And the more that you can meet with these people, the quicker you can develop those relationships, and hopefully you will sustain relationships over time, because the longer we have relationships, the easier it gets to refer business to one another, because we really know each other. We know each other's character and competence. We understand the business and what are great questions to ask for those referrals, and we really have that relationship where we are really connected and work collaboratively and really are excited about helping each other succeed. So being a part of a business network is vital to success in growing a business through relationships and referrals. So one of the things I would recommend for you, if you're not involved in a business group, then find one that is right for you. You want to see if they're the people in your contact sphere are a part of the group. Those are the key essential relationships. Those are what some people call COIs, centers of influence. I call contact spheres. Those are those businesses and professions that are complementary to yours and not competing, because you have similar conversations with clients who need your services at the same time typically, or are complementary services. So your clients need the referrals to you and to those contact sphere members. So it's really easy to pass business with those contact sphere folks. So you want to look for a business network that has some complementary professions, because it's going to make it super easy for you to build those relationships and pass business pretty quickly, because your clients are going to need each other's services. So if you need help with selecting the right group and kind of evaluating what that looks like and what kind of time commitment and participation, then let's have a conversation. I'm happy to help and point you in the right direction. I know a lot of the groups in my local area, and you know, it's just important to be able to have that group that you go to build the relationships, because that's what builds a referral-based business. So get out there, join a group, and please, you know, If you found this video to be helpful, please follow me on YouTube, like my Facebook page, and let's stay connected. I'm Miley Comer with Ascentive.